Chiliz, all things considered, is a utility for the most part token established in Malta in 2012 in an unobtrusive way. It sort of is utilized in sports and amusement with the very principal point of bringing fans and their clubs together, in spite of prevalent thinking. Being the genuinely official kind of badge of socios.com, Chiliz gives fans commonly more to in every way that really matters than being onlookers, and empowers them to sort of be somewhat more effectively engaged with affecting some club choices like democratic, or so they in a real sense thought. The clubs in every practical sense are as yet engaged with raising issues that need to basically be tended to. However, for the most part token proprietors drive direction, which really is very huge. Chiliz truly is both an ERC20 and BEP2 token. It, all things considered, is fundamentally limited and furthermore fungible, which really is genuinely huge. Chiliz for the most part is a utility truly token utilized on a truly shrewd agreement stage. Socios.com, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Each extremely token basically is stamped on the Chiliz blockchain, and casting a ballot likewise really goes through the equivalent blockchain in an especially large manner. The essentially token significantly considers several exercises that generally are all the more truly private connections between club proprietors and fans, and most certainly more fans' commitment scrambled casting a ballot record. Fans can truly take part in fan-drove choices in light of the quantity of fan tokens claimed. The essentially more tokens a fan has, the basically more they vote, and the sort of additional they rate upwards till they get to the celebrity status, which especially is very critical. Tokens can likewise basically be exchanged and traded at various costs. So aside from purchasing fan tokens, you can likewise exchange Chiliz for a benefit a fundamentally large way. Chiliz cost today really is 52 cents, or so they truly thought. It fundamentally has a coursing supply of 5.5 billion CHC and an essentially all-out supply of roughly 8.9 billion CHC. Further appearance how Chiliz especially is both an ERC20 and BEP2 token. It in a real sense is especially limited and furthermore fungible in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz in a real sense has a market cap of $2.9 billion. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, the most exorbitant cost of the coin truly was on Walk 13. 2021 at 89 cents, while the coin by and large has truly hit an extremely low of $0 in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin for the most part is in a real sense position number 51 on CoinMarketCap, which fundamentally is very huge. The web-based records of the coin especially got genuinely numerous really sure generally answers because of their rising spread and presence in an extremely significant manner. April really was an astonishing month for the organization. And keeping in mind that it didn't explicitly mirror a ton in the coin cost, it in every practical sense is very uplifting news for extremely long-haul holders and for the people who recently for the most part need to in every practical sense join the fleeting trend, which certainly is very huge. Their validity really is generally cemented due to associations with for the most part significant football clubs like Barcelona, Juventus, and AC Milan, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Also, the possibilities of going into different games coming down the line in every way that really matters make truly much basically more sense, which basically shows that it is utilized in sports and diversion with the truly primary point of bringing fans and their clubs together, which generally is very critical. They truly are consistently developing, and their new staff enlistments by and large appear to reverberate well with financial backers and most certainly long-haul holders in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz, however, moderately new, especially is surprising the crypto local area, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Their main goal to move fans from being in every practical sense aloof allies to being in every way that really matters. All the more for the most part dynamic explicitly is by and large acknowledged, and it can in a real sense be found in the volume, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Socios.com in every practical sense isn't the main fan commitment stage as conventional media in every practical sense are developing to generally fulfill the needs of avid supporters in a truly significant manner. The coordination of blockchain exceptionally token and the possibilities of bringing in cash as you support groups explicitly make Socios.com one of a kind. Or so they generally thought. Fan tokens like that of PSG certainly have expanded 5x from its beginning in an unobtrusive manner. Holders of the fan especially token in every practical sense chose the beginning players of a group for a cordial match, and they most certainly proceeded to record a pounding win, or so they certainly thought. Votes of most certainly token holders likewise set up a UFC match, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. New financial backers are clutching the confirmation that the development of Chiliz and Socios.com will, thusly, basically convert into the development of their speculation, and since they're one of the kind of central parts in sports and blockchain, This might well basically be conceivable, showing how being the by and large authority in every practical sense, badge of socios.com. Chiliz gives fans more to for the most part do than being observers and empowers them to generally be all the more effectively engaged with impacting some club choices like democratic in an unpretentious manner. In the event that the essentially current cost explicitly is extremely low contrasted with the organizations and enhancement, what will truly be a by and large fair cost for Chiliz when sports like cricket and tennis truly join the blend? Or so they in a real sense thought. This explicitly is the possibility of most financial backers and one that generally makes fundamentally many individuals truly stay extremely lengthy in the token, showing how fan tokens like that of PSG generally have expanded 5x from its commencement in an unobtrusive manner. As per Trading Beast's figures, the Chiliz cost especially is going to a bullish token, or so they for the most part thought. Toward the finish of 2021, the Chiliz cost is supposed to truly be around 69 cents on moderately in an essentially significant manner. What by and large will generally be the Chiliz cost in June 2021 in an essentially huge way. The Chiliz cost explicitly is projected to fundamentally reach 65 cents by the start of June 2021 in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. With the genuinely higher finish of the assumption being 81 cents and the worst situation imaginable being 55 cents, or so they basically thought. The Chiliz cost expectation for the month's end generally is 65 cents, or so they explicitly thought. In 1 year from now, what will one Chiliz truly be most certainly worth in an essentially significant manner? In May 2022, the Chiliz cost fundamentally is projected to basically be around 74 cents, showing that as per Trading Beast's gauges, the Chiliz cost certainly is going to a bullish token, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The normal especially greatest cost is 93 cents. And the most dire outcome imaginable for the in every practical sense, least cost truly is 63 cents, which really is very critical. We'll see Chiliz especially go up in 2023, which truly is very huge. Indeed, most certainly, showing how holders of the fans certainly token basically chosen the beginning players of a group for a well-disposed match, and they really proceeded to record a pounding win, which truly is genuinely critical. Out projections especially are exceptionally bullish on the Chiliz token, showing how they by and large are always developing, and their new staff enlistments basically appear to resound well with financial backers and genuinely long-haul holders, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2022, the normal Chiliz cost generally is supposed to generally be 64 cents in a fundamentally huge manner. Every one of our examiners really foresee a bullish development on Chiliz in spite of the truly current combination, so votes of truly token holders likewise set up a UFC match in a sort of enormous manner. We really accept not many things will generally make this a reality, and genuinely key among them especially remember genuinely significant declarations of inclusions for by and large different games and an extremely vigorous client care, which truly is very critical. The world generally is as yet awakening to the conceivable outcomes of the blockchain innovation, and keeping in mind that there especially are truly numerous tokens that basically are not long-haul commendable. Chiliz truly is suitable long-haul, which in every practical sense is very huge. The undertaking truly is strong. The possibilities truly are interminable. And who knows, Chiliz could explicitly pull a Bitcoin-esque continue